plant lovers, welcome back to the Tree Center, where fall isn't just a season, it's a prime planting opportunity. Now we get it, when people think of fall, they think of pumpkin spice, sweater weather, maybe a questionable Halloween costume or two, but real ones know it's one of the best times of year to plant, and today we're diving into our top 5 fall favorites, aka the plants you'll wish you'd ordered sooner, but don't worry, we ship fast. Number 1, citrus trees. It's no surprise that we're starting with citrus. These little guys are the holiday underdogs with fruits that typically ripen over winter. Imagine getting a lemon tree instead of socks this year. It's the gift that keeps on giving, and the best part, you can bring them indoors if you're in a colder climate. Just stick them in a bright sunny spot, like a big window or a sunroom, and they'll keep you company all winter. Plus, nothing screams, I've got my life together, like harvesting your own lemons for the holidays. Trust us. Number 2, privacy trees. Now, let's talk boundaries, but like the green kind. Fall is prime time to plant your future natural privacy fence, and nothing does it better than the Future Green Giant and the Leland Cypress. They grow fast, giving you almost instant privacy, plus they're low maintenance, disease resistant, and stay lush year round. And if trees aren't your thing, but you still want to avoid seeing the neighbor's questionable hot tub outfits, check out the Skip Cherry Laurel. It's a hedge, it's classy, it's basically the botanical version of please stop looking into my yard. Number 3, maples and Japanese maples. Now let's get a little dramatic, but in a good way. If you're looking for color that makes your neighbors stop mid-dog walk and whisper wow, maples are the move. Typical shade tree maples explode in vibrant reds and oranges, while ornamental Japanese maples offer pretty much year-round visual therapy. Some are green in the summer, fiery in the fall, others stay deep purple and gorgeous all year. Number 4, crepe maples. These are basically the overachievers of the plant world. Not only do they put on a show with their bold summer blooms, but some varieties even bloom again in the fall. Yeah, double bloomers. It's like getting a fireworks show and then the amazing finale encore for free. Crepe myrtles also come in all shapes and sizes, so whether you want a tree, a shrub, something in between, that's your covered. Number 5, blue spruce trees. Last but not least, let's talk a little bit about winter color therapy. When the world goes gray and every other tree looks like it gave up on life, blue spruces and our other blue evergreen varieties are still out here serving icy blue realness. They're the perfect way to beat the winter blues, just more blue. Plus, they're deer resistant, make excellent windbreaks, and look pretty majestic covered in snow. Giving holiday postcards, and we're here for it. So there you have it, our top 5 fall planting picks. Whether you're looking to sip lemon water from your own citrus tree, block out the neighbors, or just add some fiery color to your yard, fall is a great time to do it. All these plants and so many more are available right now at thetreecenter.com. And yes, we're still offering bundle savings and free shipping over $299. Hit that like button if you learned something, drop a comment if you planted any of these beauties, and don't forget to subscribe for more plant wisdom, deals, and me rambling about trees in the best way possible. Happy fall planting, friends.